Hey folks, so here is our Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker that we purchased. Absolutely loving it so far. Right now it is slow cooking tonight's dinner. Really looking forward to that, and it smells absolutely wonderfully. Obviously, as I mentioned, slow cooker, but it can also saute. It can even steam, by the way. It comes with this grill rack here. Put a little bit of water in the bottom, put it on steam mode. Your vegetables, fish, whatever, rest on here. Absolutely beautiful. On top of that, you can use this to bake. It can prove. You can even make bread in this thing. So it really is all singing, all dancing. It's a great size. Right now, we are cooking for 4 people, and I've got to say, the dinner looks a little bit lost in there. Ninja themselves state you can cook a chili con carne in this for up to 20 people, and yeah, I can believe it. Now, the way it works is actually really simple. You'll get the hang of it very quickly. You simply use this adjustment knob here to turn the option onto the cooking mode you want. So in our case, we're currently using slow cook, and then you can adjust the temperature. There are 2 temperatures, high or low, and then you can select how long you would like it to cook. So the minimum is 3 hours. We set this to 6 hours, which would be perfect for our needs for today's meal. And then you just hit the start button. That's all you need to do. And once the timer expires, it will automatically switch over to the keep warm option and then put not a countdown, but a timer counting upwards, so you can see how long it's been keeping warm for. Now, it will also give you the instructions you need on the LED screen here, so you know what it is you need to do depending on the option you select. For example, when we chose sear for a meal yesterday, what it did was tell us to wait for the actual cooker to heat up, which took about 5 to 6 minutes. And it gave us a progress on how long that was taking. And then when that was done, we knew then that we could pop some oil in and sear the meat, which happened very quickly. And this is just such a great all-round product for the kitchen. Now, on top here, you can see we have this multi-function utensil, which is plastic. Really important you don't use any metal utensils with this. It does state that in the instructions. You will scratch the non-stick surface, cause damage, but this thing is absolutely perfect, and yeah, you can easily keep it close by to the cooker on the handle here. The actual pot itself is oven safe, okay, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, about 265 degrees Celsius. And of course, you want to be careful not to burn yourself, but even though this has been on for a few hours, I can still hold these handles for however long I need to. They're warm, but they're not that hot. But the cooking itself works really well. Unlike most traditional slow cookers, it doesn't simply have a heating pad on the bottom, but it has heating all around as well. So it's going to give you a good consistency to the cooking. Now, we haven't tried some of the features here yet, such as baking or proving, but I am looking forward to testing those out. But from what I've seen so far, this does work absolutely brilliantly. It is available as well in a couple of colours. The pot is great because, of course, you can use this to serve with as well. I would definitely go as far as to say that the Ninja Possible Cooker is probably the best slow cooker we have ever owned. And it's not even just a slow cooker, it does so much more. So definitely a worthy consideration, in my opinion. I hope the video helped. Thank you for watching.